Well, hello and welcome to Crouton Ramon's House of Math, Module 2, by popular demand, Parent-Teacher Training. So here, you see, this is the page that you're on, below, if you look below this video. Module 1 is Series A plus a bunch of PDFs and the easy peasy overview. The page that you're on right here gives you teacher training and also the winter training. That was several hours, or I think it's 8-9 hours that I recorded that I did by request over the Christmas break. And then parent-teacher training that I've accumulated over the Saturday trainings, and you'll find them here. So click enter, and you'll see in just a moment what you get on the other side when you purchase one of these passwords. And this password, believe me, is worth every penny. So if you want your kids to be able to perform feats of mathematics the way this kid does, I show you how to do it. So click here, and you can get your own password, and it will give you access to many more hours than just this. Here's a taste of it from a few video excerpts from trainings that I've done. And here you're getting theory. On Module 3 and 1 and 4, you get mostly theory in practice. Well, Module 1 is also theory because it goes through the Series A manuals and so forth. But in Module 3, for sure, what you get is unedited videos showing you theory in practice with actual students during actual classes. You'll see sample lessons and all kinds of things there. But here, what you get is the theory of how to pull off those lessons. And then once you understand what you're doing, it makes it very easy for you to copy what I'm doing. Just emulate what you see in those lessons, and you can get an idea of how you want to play with your kids and all the mathematics that they're going to learn while you're playing and having fun. All right, so supremely simple subtraction. There's an offer here if you would like to get this book to get started. It is free. Just give me your email address and I'll send it to you. And you have a copy of it delivered to your mailbox. You can't print it. The printable version is $9.99, but you get the PDF that you can download and look over all you want on your computer or tablet or whatever device you have. All right, so here, click this, and you end up here in Module 2. Right? Basic training for your base 10 blocks. And you'll see hour after hour after hour, plus click here for the winter training. The password is normally here, and it's the same password that you get for getting in to this page. But just in case you forgot it or you don't want to go search for it, it's right here. You click there, cut and paste it in there, and there you go. And some of these videos, I can tell you, they are YouTube videos, so you can click over here. Let me show you quickly. And under settings, so that it doesn't take you quite so long to watch these, you can speed them up a little bit. So you can get 1 1/4, 1 1/2, or even 2 times for some of you that have auditory learners, that you can speed it up and still get all the information out of it. Also, a good idea in some of these is to actually get your blocks out and follow along. So anyway, here is more training for you. And like I said, what you get, hours and hours of video training. This one's 2 hours long, and you can watch it in parts. And then links to other games and videos that you might have had difficulty finding on YouTube. Lots of mathematics lessons for you. And here is a couple of links to blog posts. Here's some training for you about NLP and how the eyes tell the story. Again, you won't see this integrated into mathematics teaching pretty much anywhere. More easy peasy for you. The easy peasy overview that you got in Module 1 is also here for your convenience. And a little bit of training on trigonometry and how to present trig lessons. And then a bunch of PDFs, more PDFs for you. And you can see quite a few people are very pleased with this training. And you can go to my testimonials page to get more than that. And then, look, we're not even done yet. here is the winter training. I'm going to pop our password in there. Oops, I can already look at it and see that it's too long. It's got the quotation marks around it. And then here is the Module 2 winter training, and it's just various, well, not various, the sessions in order. Session 1, 2, 3. I should put a little description in each one of these, but I never got the page finished. But I wanted to get it up for you people. And see, it tells you what kind of stuff you'll see in there in each video, and what we cover. And then as a bonus, here are 4 hours of math camp. There were supposed to be 10 hours here, but only these 4 survived. It's a long story. But anyway, you get at least another 4 hours from math camp. I was supposed to put math camp in a can for parents because they wanted to be able to come back to these lessons because they were very successful for their children. We did 10 lessons with these kids, and by the time they were done, they were doing amazing mathematics. But here is training for you, and all you need to do is get the Module 2 password, however you want to get it, annual, lifetime, make payments, whatever. It is worth your time. And worth the investment, and you get them for life. You get to watch these videos as many times as you want. These links will be good forever and ever, as long as my website is up. There are people now that are sending me testimonials where their kids grew up on Crouton Ramon's House of Math, because this website's been up for 9 years now. So kids that were 13 6 years ago, or 18, 19 now, they're done and doing well in school. Usually college, or sometimes it's just what do you call it, trade schools, and they get they credit their kids' math success with being able to use this website to, and which has gotten better and better, to be able to train them, play with them and teach them mathematics. I train you here, and so basically I teach you, you teach them. Rather than you pay me to teach them, you get everything you need to, once you got a set of blocks, to get going. No excuses. Hours, nitty-gritty training for you. So all the details, from counting all the way on up. So addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, algebra, trigonometry, and so forth. It's covered here on these pages. And it tells you how to get, from the very beginning, how to get started, on up to more trigonometry and so forth. Okay, that's Crouton Ramon's House of Math Module 2. Get down there, click the link, and get yourself trained. And if you have this module or Module 1, then you can get Module 3. And Module 3 basically is math in action. So you get pages and pages of mathematics lessons that you can watch me playing with my sons, playing with students, and having a good time doing it. And you can get those for basically no money. It used to be $353, and now you can buy 1 module at a time, or you can buy all 4 modules at a time. But if you want to break it into payments, you can do that. If you want to just buy 1 module, you can get this module for that price. So get over here, and you can click the PayPal button and make whichever choice is best for you. And now you know what's in Module 2. CroutonRamonsHouseOfMath.com for more.